how to create a YouTube channel on YouTube in less than 1 minute in 2022 or 2023. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube channel on YouTube in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do first is log into your account on Gmail, and now this is the home page as you can see. Now if you want to create a YouTube channel in less than 1 minute, go to the top here in the corner, click on those three lines and go down to settings right here. Click on settings. Now it will take you to this page. Click on create a channel, and here you go. Now this is the channel here. You can now choose the name, easy and fast, and click create channel, and the channel will be created as you can see right here. Let's see, and here is the channel. Very easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.